Welcome everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, we are going to look at how to always open links directly in their apps when using the DuckDuckGo browser on your mobile phone if you prefer apps instead of web pages. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings to access the DuckDuckGo browser configuration page. Scroll down until you find the Permissions section and select it. Now, look for the option called Open Links in Apps and select it. After that, choose the Always option so links consistently open in their respective apps. Finally, tap on Save to confirm your choice and apply the setting. From now on, whenever you tap a link that has a supported app installed, DuckDuckGo will open it directly in the app instead of the browser. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.